To attach your camera to your telescope, you're going to have to remove the lens and replace it with a T adapter. T adapter attaches the same way your lens does. You line up the dots. Here, here. And that's it. Now you just attach the camera to your telescope. However, sometimes the T adapter doesn't come assembled like as this one did. This one came completely assembled. It's really only two parts. Sometimes they come like this. If that should happen, you have to be very careful, because this has three little screws here. They're so tiny, and they just fall out like nothing. And once they fall out, they're lost forever pretty much. They're very hard to find. So, place this in here. Keep this horizontal so you don't lose the screws. Tighten the screws quickly. See, this one already fell out. Look at that. Very challenging. I'm going to go ahead and fasten this one first, because if I turn this sideways, I'm going to lose it. This is also why you want to do this here at home and not out in the field, where you will lose it for sure. I can hardly tell which end is which. That's how tiny these things are. Yeah. Make sure it's securely fastened. Make sure there's no wiggle room. You don't want any wiggle room. This is going to hold your camera. And it's also going to make sure, you also want to make sure that that there is no motion when you're trying to take very precise images. And that's it.